Sega.
Hi dolls, it's your girl Jade. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning doll, thanks for tuning in every single week and hanging out with your girl for new and returning dolls. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, we're going to dive right on into this review. Okay, so as you can see from the title, this is not a wig. This is not a unit that is pre-made. This is clip-ins that I bought from the Janet collection. And I know I have not been doing reviews long, but I always aim to give the best advice based on my own preferences, and I kind of want to make sure that nobody else makes the same mistakes that I do. So, as the title says, this hair comes from Janet Collection. I bought it from my local beauty supply store. It was between $20 and $40. I'm not really sure how much I paid for it. I've had it for about a year. I've only been um, I've only had it in my head probably a total of 5 times. And every night, like with my units, that my wigs that are pre-made, I always let my scalp breathe. So I take the clip-ins out every single night. So, with all of that being said, let me start off right quick. This again comes from the Janet collection. It's 8 pieces. There's one I can't remember um, the different lengths, but there's like 3 pieces that have the one clip. There's 2 or 3 pieces that have 2 clips. There's one piece that has 3 clips, and then there's one that has 4 or something like that. Um, it is yaki hair, so it's synthetic. The box that it came in said that it has a human hair feel, and it could be heated up to 350 degrees. Now, I have said all of that, but I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I will never buy these clip-ins again. Um, I've had the only pro I have for this hair is that it blends very nicely with my own hair when I've had it straightened. Um, I got a silk press about a week ago, so this part here back to here is my own hair, and then um, I parted pieces into it to put the clip-ins and to make it fuller. But of course, this part is my own hair. Um, it does blend really nicely with your own hair. When my hair, at least with my hair, when it's straightened, it's a color 1B. The cons for this hair, unfortunately, is it tangles really easy. It sheds like a dog. I've never put any heat on it, but the ends feel, the hair is, it's not really dry, but it's dry. I mean, if this was my hair and I was rubbing my fingers through the hair, I would seriously think that I would need a trim or cut and a protein treatment or a deep conditioner, because it's kind of brittle. You can't easily run your fingers through it. It tangles very quickly. And the biggest con to look at that. The biggest con to it is And this is one of the ones that have the 2 clips. And I'm gonna be honest, once I do this review, I'm throwing this in the trash. Like, that's how much I don't like it. Um, the biggest con to it is, now go ahead and pull this out. I had it installed the first day, and at the time I had my hair braided straight back. And as I was putting the clips in, even having it installed today, it's ridiculous. The combs are not securely tied on here, so even this one was secure today. I don't know what they use or what kind of thread they use, but the combs easily come out, and this is one of the 4 pieces. At the end of the day, I did decide to give it a chance and just say, hey, um, maybe I was finger combing my own finger combing it too rough, or I don't know. Even if I was doing this all day, I should not pull the thread off of a comb. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Um, so yeah, the combs are not. Before I throw this out, I might even take these combs off of here. The the combs are not secure. The hair, again, sheds like nobody's business. It's dry. There's no luster to it. The only good thing about this hair is, like I said, it blends very nicely with my own hair. On the first day I wore it, the first day I wore it when I was going to put it in my head, and again, here's another clip. And this is what happens to most of them in this pack. And I don't know if it was a fluke or not, but when I installed it the first time, um, there were 4 pieces like that where the clips had come, one side of the clips had come off. And I took my time and decided to re-sew it on myself, which, if I'm paying $40 for some clip-ins, I don't want to have to do any work to it, right? So yeah, that was that. This video was never going to be that long. I hate to give a bad review, but like I said, the only good thing about that hair is it blends really nicely with my own hair if it's straightened. Purchase at your own risk. That's about all I can say. I don't have like anything good to say about that hair except it blends really nicely. And I had to have a headband on in order to even feel comfortable wearing it, only because when I wore it the first day and the second day, the clips were not even securely in there. So even with having my hair braided all the way back, the clips were just loose. And if I'm paying, like I said, $40 for some clip-ins, I don't care if they are synthetic, I want better quality. Like I said, it sheds, it tangles very easily. It just feels like hair that is in bad need of a trim and a deep conditioner. So that is all I have for you guys this week. Tune in next week where I will be doing yet another unit review for you guys. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, drop me a like, um, drop me a comment, share, share, share. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. Once I get to 100 subscribers, I am seriously thinking about doing giveaways. So with these units, makeup, whatever I have in store for you guys. So please help me get to 100 subscribers. and you know, so we can all participate in giveaways and get free stuff. So I will see you guys next week.